Mic check. Let's talk about sound for your videos. How you doing, everybody? CJ Williams with BizFit Marketing, where I specialize in helping businesses plan, produce, and post their video content. And in this video, I wanted to talk about sound because sound is important. If sound is not right, it will turn viewers off to your videos. Real quick, I've gotten a few questions over the last couple of years about audio, microphones, and my suggestions on that stuff. So I wanted to address that. Quick disclaimer: I'm not a gearhead. I'm not a tech geek when it comes to this stuff. My motivation behind advancing my equipment was being better than my competition. I wanted my videos to look better than my competition. I think I did a good job with that. Another quick thing, as a business owner, if you're taking the time to invest in this type of stuff, ask yourself, could that money be going to other things for your business? And could you be paying somebody to do this for you? Because with making videos comes editing the video, and this takes time that can be put into your business and actually servicing your customers. So think about that. But if you're gonna venture off into this and doing it yourself, I have a few suggestions, and let's get into it. So all of these suggestions are under the assumption that you have a mic jack on your camera. Even phones now have mic jacks or ways and adapters where you can put a mic in. So make sure you have that option first. The first option is the lav mic. I started out with a lav mic when I first got my first good camera, or camera with a mic jack in it, and it is basically a small microphone here that you clip to your lapel, your shirt, inside your jacket, or whatnot. I would slide up under my shirt to hide it, and I even had a very long cable that I had to attach to the camera because I needed something to extend so I didn't have to be so close to the mic. But it was great sound because the mic was right here. It's close to my mouth. You gotta watch the clothing that you're gonna be wearing if you're doing any type of movement, or if you're out in the wind, anything like that. But as far as getting good sound and being right here, a lav mic, they're less than $200 now. Oh no, a basic lav mic you probably get for $50 now, one of these lav mics. So a great option if you have the capabilities on your camera, and it's basic, simple, inexpensive, and you're gonna get decent sound. Next option up, a shotgun mic. I have a Rode here. I probably paid about $250 for this a few years ago. They're much cheaper. You can get shotgun mics for less than $100. I mean, quality is gonna be an issue there, so it depends on the quality you want to have. And then, but if you don't have anything, does it really matter? You just want better sound, right? Better than what's on the camera itself. So this, you just slide into the hot shoe of your camera, hook up to the mic port, turn it on. It runs off a 9-volt battery. And if you're gonna be straight ahead, straight right in front of your camera, again, it's gonna be on top of your camera. If you're gonna be right in front of your camera, this is gonna be a great option. Can't get too far away, and you can't be off to the side. It works better if you're dead on, straight on with the mic. Great sound, and inexpensive. The next one, and the one I would recommend, is investing in a wireless lav mic set. This one's gonna, most of the time they come in 3 sets of 3. You'll have one main one which is gonna connect or attach to the camera, plug into the mic port, probably gonna run off AA batteries, and it's gonna have these antennas on it where you'll have 2 other pieces. One of them which is gonna clip, they're gonna clip to your shirt, your pants, or you put it in your pocket, depending on what you're doing. And it's gonna have the lav mic attached to it. And this, of course, you can slide underneath your clothes, turn them on, and they work wirelessly. So this allows you to do a lot more movement. You don't have to be so close to the camera. These work great when I was doing my fitness videos and demonstrations, and great sound because the camera, again, the mic was right here, close to my face, close to my mouth. So I was able to get some good quality out of that. These are just a few options, none of which should cost more than $200. But again, you have to consider, can you be investing this money and time into something else? But if you are gonna do it, my suggestion, go with the lav mic, the wireless lav mic set. You can get 2 people talking, interview style, for your promos or demonstrations or whatever type of videos you're gonna be running to promote your business. That's all I have for this video. I thank you for watching. Please be sure to subscribe, like, comment, share this video. I have more content on the way, content that is driven toward helping you create good content for your business. All right, see you next time.